Guys, we got to talk. This is something that, excuse me, that I've thought about for quite a while. I've talked with some of you about. As Ozark Fence, ozfence.com, and Ozark Wireworks grow, it takes a lot of my time, takes a lot more of my time, and we have to start prioritizing our time, right? Because I still have a family, and it's the whole work-life family, or work-family balance, or whatever you want to call it. With that being said, I'm retiring. Okay, so not really retiring, just stepping back from the channel, but we had to do the, interesting hook for intro.
You scared me.
But the channel's still going to stay alive. It's going to be hosted by someone other than me. I'm sure you'll still see me on the channel from time to time. But then comes a question of who should follow, who should come next. We've got a series of auditions that I'd like for you to watch and consider carefully. They're people that you've likely already seen and know through the channel. I'd like you to watch your auditions and let me know what you think. Well, with all that being said, let's roll the auditions.
Can you tell us your name and why you're here?
My name's Matt.
Eric Taylor.
I'm Bryce.
My name's Jim Everest, and I'm here to become the next fence expert.
What type of content would you excel at making on the channel?
All of it. Everything fences. I'm the only one here who can weave wire. I can weld.
I would excel at making what the viewers want.
Well, there's a lot of good shipping potential to show shipping stuff down there in our ship land 2.5.
What do you guys want? I'll do it, darn it.
How to ship our heat tunnel and our tubing and our shipping.
Can do anything that Eric can do, which is most of the time nothing.
Shipping. Ship.
All right, as a certified old guy, I'd be a little different. I wouldn't be one of those young guys that says, here's my new whiz bang where you can glue your pickets to your wood fence. Nope, I'm going to be the guy that says you're going to need a nail. Based on my experiences, and I've had 15 good years in the fence business and 43 other years. Anyway, I'll be the voice of the old when it comes to the fence business.
Give us your best YouTube intro.
All right.
My best YouTube intro.
Welcome back to another video with your boy, Matt.
Hey, it's Jim Everest, the fence expert. I've been doing this 58 years. I've been doing most of it right. And if you tune in with me, you watch me every week, I'll show you how you can do it mostly right.
What's up, fence ladies and gents? This is Bryce, the fence expert with Ozark Fence. Is that good?
Good morning and welcome to YouTube. I'm Eric Taylor, and today we're going to dive into the riveting world of fence and shipping. Mainly shipping, but also fence.
If you were to take over the channel, would you change the content at all?
I don't even watch the channel. I don't know what content we got. That should be my answer.
I think I would change the content totally. I think I'd get away from fence, maybe do ornamental iron, or maybe do like how to make strawberry shortcake.
I might. It depends on what the people want. I stand for the people. I am a person for the people, by the people.
Yeah, totally. Adding more shipping shorts and more shipping videos. Got to have the shipping stuff. Maybe 2 live podcasts, because why not? Live from the shipping land. Live from Shipland. That's genius right there.
Fence is boring. If you go with me, you're going to get all kinds of content, not just fence.
Give us your best outro.
All right.
Thanks for watching another video with your boy. And remember that good choices make good content.
This has been Jim Everest, the fence expert. And remember, if you follow me and the fence business, probably nobody will get hurt.
Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, I'm Eric Taylor, and nothing's too hard for the fence expert.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. This was Bryce, the fence expert. And always remember, the grass isn't always greener on the other side of the fence.
Why should the audience pick you over the other candidates?
I'm not so sure they should.
They should pick me because I'm the MVP of Ozark Fence. I'm the only one who can do it all. I've got welding, wire weaving.
Well, it's plain and simple. I'm the best option. I've been working here not a long time, but a fun time. And there's an untapped market out there, untapped shipping market that we can tap into at least 15 more viewers.
And then everything else fence-wise. So that's why you should pick me, not that old Matt guy or Eric. Neither of them even got Ozark Fence jackets. Like, you see this? Ozark Fence? What were they wearing? Not Ozark Fence.
I think you picked Jim Everest as the fence expert because the future belongs to the old. Stop and think about it. If you live long enough, you're going to be old. I'm already old. Take advantage of that with Jim, the fence expert.
Thank you, Jim.
So, those are your auditions. I think you'll agree with me that each one of these guys would be a great choice to hand the torch off, so to speak. Now, you won't see a big change in the channel for probably the coming month. We've got quite a bit of content we've pre-recorded and just haven't released yet. But slowly but surely, you'll see the channel change. But I hope you'll agree it's for the better. And like I said, I'm not gone completely, just not around as much. So let me know who you would choose in the comments below. I know. Each one of them would make a great prospect for carrying the torch forward to picking up where I left off, but we have to choose just one. I'll make the announcement this Saturday in an upcoming live Q&A at the end of the Q&A, so be sure you're subscribed, you've turned on your notifications so that you'll know when we go live. At the end of that live, I'll make the big announcement. I want to take this opportunity to say thank you guys. Without you guys, this channel wouldn't be what it is today, and it wouldn't be what it will become tomorrow, I'm sure of it. This is not goodbye. It's just farewell for now. Joe Everest, the fence expert, reminding you that good fences make good neighbors.